Well, we've left the road and we're winding our way down these tracks to the chocolate factory. As you can see, there's a few puddles on the track, and if it rains it does get a bit muddy apparently, so you've just got to pick the right time to get down there, but it doesn't take that long. This is in the middle of nowhere, north of Candidasa. Beautiful little spot, and it's a chocolate factory hidden through those palm trees. And we're going to have a look, and we've got little hobbit houses. All these little hobbit houses. All very strange designs. It's amazing.
Beautiful view.
It's the grow in Bali, yeah.
Ah.
And then if the open have the bean with the raw cacao. And then the
don't
bean,
eat.
yeah. Can eat but bitter, yeah. And then the bean I'm processing, making chocolate there.
Yeah.
And then all the sweetness of chocolate I put with the coconut palm sugar.
Oh.
Natural sugar, no milk, no white sugar, only coconut palm sugar.
Oh, right.
And then come like this one 85% dark chocolate.
Wow.
You can try.
Okay.
And rice powder.
Coconut oil and rice powder.
Yeah. And then the color like this one, the color have the cacao powder inside. And then
Lovely.
this one have the tea tree and spearmint and scrub inside. The black one is pork.
Wow.
This thing because the dog come here.
20-year-old goose. Mark's having trouble getting up on the swing.
I was going to get on the other one, but there's two little, one dead bird and one half-alive tiny bird that have fallen out of the nest. I do not wish to stand.
We have arrived at Virgin Beach. Right in there. I'm walking along Virgin Beach. I think it's also known as White Beach, I think. This is sort of fishing boats, sun decks, little warungs, lots of palm trees. It sort of comes out of a gorge and a bit of a steep hill down to the beach, which we have to negotiate back up, which we're not looking forward to. It is extremely warm, and the sand is a mixture of white and black, which you'll find the black blacker sand north of Sanur. So we're still a little bit north of Candidasa, but the water is so crystal clear blue. And cooling. I'll give it that much as cooling. Just up here, I believe, there's supposed to be a Virgin Beach beach club. I'm not exactly sure where along here. Over in the distance is that little promontory called Boat. There is a vantage point from up there, but apparently the road is not that good to get to it. So we're just using the road down to this beach and staying here for a little while, have a little bit of lunch and enjoy the tour. Can't see any sign of a beach club, however. There is a lot of fishing boats here, so I'm assuming it's good fishing around this area. Probably more mackerel like I had for dinner last night. Over here in the background is the Virgin Bar. Open 11 till 10 at night. Good to know if I'm here that late. So I don't think so. More of the outcrop. For a little bit of added contrast to the sand. Lovely. It's absolutely lovely. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Never Miss channel. Feel free to drop a comment, and if you like these videos, give a thumbs up.